Hello everyone, it's Zach Dischinger, founder and CEO of Formula Z Cosmetics. I'm so excited that you could join me today because I wanted to talk to you about my Forever Lips. These are the best liquid lipstick on the market. It's a collection of 8 richly pigmented, long-lasting, and smudge-proof liquid lip colors that are 100% cruelty-free, vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, everything except calorie-free. And my favorite part about this lipstick is that you can wear it by itself or you can pair it with a LUXE diamond gloss. And what that's gonna do is just tint the lipstick down a little bit. So it's gonna keep the pigment concentration a little bit lower if you're looking for a little bit something natural. But my favorite part about this is that you can apply it in the morning for a smudge-proof and transfer-proof finish. And by 7 o'clock at night, you're still good to go, totally not going anywhere. And another one of my favorite things is that we have a chestnut mauve color and we call it Mission Z. And for every Mission Z that we sell, we give 50% of our net proceeds back to the Trevor Project. And for those of you who don't know, the Trevor Project is the leading international crisis intervention and suicide prevention organization that provides the crisis intervention and suicide prevention services for LGBT youth. So through this amazing charity collaboration and partnership, it is Formula Z's commitment to supporting and protecting LGBTQ youth worldwide. I really hope that you can check out this collection and get your hands on some Forever Lips because they truly, truly are a magical part of Formula Z. Thank you so much for joining me today. Be sure to follow me on social media at Zach Dischinger and follow the company at Formula Z Cosmetics. Until next time, bye.